In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a status on WhatsApp Web. With our ever-evolving digital world, staying connected and sharing moments has become an integral part of our daily lives. One of the simplest yet most profound ways to do this is through updating our status on various social platforms. WhatsApp, being one of the most widely used messaging applications globally, offers a fantastic feature for sharing updates, the status feature. And today I'm here to guide you through every step of uploading a status on WhatsApp Web, ensuring you can share your special moments from the comfort of your computer. Let's dive right in. The first step to sharing a status is to navigate to the WhatsApp Web. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Hitting enter will take you directly to the WhatsApp Web homepage. Here you'll be greeted with a QR code that you need to scan using the WhatsApp app on your phone to log in. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the WhatsApp web interface if you haven't already. You'll notice it closely mirrors the mobile app, making it intuitive for regular WhatsApp users. Next, it's time to click on the Status tab located towards the top left corner of your screen. If you're having trouble finding it, look for an icon resembling a circle with dashed outline. This represents the status section. Clicking on this will take you to the status screen where you can view updates from your contacts, but more importantly, it's where you can add your own. On the status screen, you'll notice a prompt saying, "Click to add status update." This is your gateway to sharing a piece of your day with your contacts. Click on this prompt and you'll be directed to the status update interface. Now for the fun part. Selecting what you want to share. WhatsApp Web allows you to upload photos and videos as your status. To choose what you want to share, click on the Select Photos and Videos button. This will open your computer's file explorer or finder, where you can navigate to the folder containing the photo or video you wish to share. Take your time browsing through your files, and select the one that best captures your current mood, moment, or message. Remember, the moments we share are the ones that define our digital presence and contribute to our shared digital experience with friends and family. After selecting your photo or video, you'll be drawn back to the WhatsApp web interface. Here you will see your chosen file ready to be uploaded. Before you proceed, you have the opportunity to add a caption, crop your photo, or even draw on it to add that personal touch. These tools are straightforward to use and can be found just below your selected file. Feel free to experiment with these to make your status update even more personal and engaging. Finally, it's time to share your moment with the world, or at least with your WhatsApp contacts. Look for the send icon, typically represented by a paper airplane. It should be prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking this will immediately upload your status, and just like that, you've successfully shared your status on WhatsApp Web. Your status will be visible to your contacts for 24 hours, after which it will automatically disappear. You can upload as many status updates as you like, allowing you to continuously share your day's highlights. A couple of additional tips before we wrap up. First, always be mindful of what you're sharing. Your status is visible to your contacts, so it's essential to share content that you're comfortable with everyone seeing. Second, if you wish to see who has viewed your status, simply click on your status update, and WhatsApp will display a list of viewers at the bottom. Sharing a status on WhatsApp Web is a beautiful way to stay connected, share moments, and express yourself creatively. Whether it's a photo of your morning coffee, a scenic view, or a video from a recent adventure, your status can bring a smile to someone's face and keep you connected with your circle. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to uploading a status on WhatsApp Web. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it enhances your WhatsApp experience. Happy sharing!